Hi guys, it's me again, the camera closer. Okay. But today, one of you guys told me to sit on my slowizing squishy. So let's see if this one is slowizing first. I want slowizing, but I think
I would rather have a client who's innocent.
so. I'm gonna pick this dog. To choose from. I'm gonna use my giant milk to pick from, and I'm gonna pick my kitty. Okay, so let's see which one's slowest rising. So let's see between these ones. Hold on. Let's see. Let's put you guys down so you guys can see. Watch. Okay, let's see. Hold on. I don't know. I can't tell, but let's see.
Once a week, I let her play sheriff so I can wash it.
Let me
I
get
use Tide
this.
to get out those week old stains and Downy to get it fresh and soft.
You are free to go.
Tide
This is
and
the
Downy together.
slowest rising squishy. Actually, it's kind of fast. See this?
Dad didn't work so far away. Dad
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on this one.
did more than
Okay,
just
let's
wish.
see.
Upload your resume on Indeed.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you some squishies. So I showed you this one in a video. So I have to show you something. I'm trying to get all these. They look so alike. Yeah. Tell me if you guys like this. Fast rising like look.
When you bring her by your phones. It includes the TV and movies you love with Hulu and mobile hotspot so you can keep all your devices connected. Switch to Sprint's Unlimited Plus plan today.
Look at this peach. Oh yeah, and you guys, go check out my Musical.ly account. It's called XX Morgan XX. And it might have a picture of me wearing like a unicorn butterfly sweatshirt with a rainbow hat on. So yeah. Okay, let's see the squishy. Oh my god, you guys.
One of each for just $3.49. Or get 10 nuggets for just $1.69. Only at Burger King.
Look at that. Look how slow it's taking. It's so long.
So sweet to treat myself.
That was an awesome plan. I hope so. Whoever told me. So Gary, Kira, I don't know. Okay, so that person who told me to do that, please subscribe to me because I only have one subscriber. So yeah, bye.